Whether you're just starting to implement SharePoint into your business, or if you're already using it, this course will empower your team to maximise its functionality. From basic navigation to uploading and sharing documents, to creating team and communication sites and pages, this course offers step-by-step guidance to using SharePoint practically in everyday business operations.
Digital transformations aren't really about technology, they're about people. You won't achieve transformation unless you can support your people in making the most of the tools and technology you want to implement. Getting the fundamentals such as SharePoint really working for you can make a huge difference in your overall business efficiency. Our SharePoint training course is designed with one goal in mind: to help organisations unlock the full potential of SharePoint. Whether your team is just starting to implement this powerful tool, or you're looking to deepen your existing knowledge, this course will provide the essential skills to maximise its value for you and your business.
At Headforwards, we're uniquely positioned to help your organisation optimise SharePoint. With over 14 years' experience and having partnered with over 130 organisations, we've become trusted experts in technology solutions. Additionally, and maybe most importantly, our teams use SharePoint daily, so we truly understand the ins and outs of the platform. So, why does implementing SharePoint matter in your business? There's a lot of business efficiencies that can be gained by all of your team members using SharePoint well. It can streamline document management, enhance collaboration, and help automate business processes. But it's only going to work well if all of your team members are using it, and not just a select few. On a more serious note, your business security and compliance can be compromised if your teams aren't consistent in how they're using tools and managing data. SharePoint has robust security features and compliance tools in place, helping your business and teams stay safe when you're using SharePoint effectively.
This 3-hour course is packed with everything you need to know to use SharePoint effectively in your day-to-day business operations. We'll walk you through the essential features, tools, and best practices to ensure you and your team can hit the ground running. Additionally, the course can be tailored to your business needs. It can be introductory for those considering or about to start using SharePoint, or it can be focused on best practice for those already working with it.
Here's what we'll cover during the course. Basic navigation of the SharePoint interface. In this part of the course, we'll teach you how to easily navigate the platform and find what you need. Uploading and sharing documents securely. Here, you'll learn how to upload files and share them with the right permissions. We'll emphasise how to make sure your documents remain secure. Creating and managing team and communication sites. In this part, you'll discover how to create and manage sites that keep your team connected and informed. Customizing pages to suit your business needs. We'll teach you how to tailor SharePoint pages to fit your specific workflows, projects, and team needs, making it work specifically for you and your business.
Once you complete the course, you'll receive a certificate that acknowledges your new skills and knowledge in SharePoint. This certification is a great way to demonstrate your commitment to your professional development and digital proficiency. If you're looking to optimise your SharePoint use to its fullest potential, or want to implement it in your business but aren't sure how, then this course is the perfect starting point for you, providing you with all the tools you need to make a real impact in your organisation.
We're excited to help you enhance your digital skills, improve your workflows, and revolutionise the way your team collaborates. Don't miss out on the opportunity to level up your digital capabilities. Reach out to us today and start mastering SharePoint with Headforwards Digital Academy.